All right, number 2. This shape is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon as well. The first one was a pentagon as well. What kind of shapes do I see here? Well, if I draw a line here, I can see a trapezoid at the top and then a rectangle at the bottom. Or I could draw a line here and I can see a trapezoid here and then a rectangle over here. Does it really matter which way? I don't think one way would be easier than another. So I'm just going to draw it here. Okay, so that gives me a trapezoid at the top and then a rectangle at the bottom. So let's do the area of the rectangle first. Remember, we're always looking for our right angle to tell us what our base and height are going to be. Our base and height form that right angle. So the area of the rectangle is base times height. So 9 times 8. And 9 times 8 is 72 square feet. I'm going to look at the trapezoid. I'm going to go ahead and write my formula for my trapezoid. It's 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Remember, our bases are our parallel sides, the sides that they keep going forever, will never meet. Okay, so when I look at my trapezoid, I'll notice this diagonal here. So that means that that's not going to be parallel to this side right here that's straight. So this one's straight and this one's straight, right? They're both going horizontal. So those two sides are going to be parallel. They keep going forever. They will never meet. So those are going to be our bases. So that means I need to figure out what this distance is. So I look and I say, okay, what matches that on this shape? And that would be this piece right here. That piece right there matches. So that means if this from here to here is 9, that means from here to here is also 9 feet. Now I need to find the height of this. This is actually a right trapezoid because it has the right angles right here. Okay, so that's a right trapezoid. So I need to figure out what this distance is from here to here. So I have to look at the shape to see what on the shape can help me figure that out. Well, I can't look straight across because that's a diagonal, so I know that's not going to be the same length. Not to mention it doesn't have a dimension. Well, I know this whole piece is 14, right? And I know this piece right here is 8. So if this piece is 8, right here, that means this piece over here is also got to be 8, right? Because that's the same distance. So this piece is 8. So 8 plus what is going to give me this whole length, and the whole length is 14. So you can count up on your fingers, right? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it'd be 6. Or you can say 14 minus 8 is 6. So this piece right here is 6 feet. So I'm going to take all that information. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put it into my formula. So my area of my trapezoid is 1/2. My two bases, remember it doesn't matter which order we put it in. We can say 5 plus 9 or 9 plus 5. It doesn't matter. And then our height is 6. Remember, follow your order of operations. Do what's inside your parentheses first. 9 plus 5 is 14 times 6. Now I want to take half. Do I want to take half of 14 or half of 6? I'm going to go ahead and take half of 14. Half of 14 is 7. Remember, we're just dividing it by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Half of 14 is 7. And 7 times 6 is 42 square feet. Okay, so the rectangle was 72 square feet. The trapezoid is 42 square feet. So our total area is going to be 72 square feet plus 42 square feet, which gives us 11, not 11, 114 square feet.